Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be making butter in a jar. This is called the Kilner Butter Churner, a step-by-step guide by yours truly. And I will either perfect this or completely butcher it, the latter being the more obvious outcome. Side note, please excuse the noise. I have tremendously loud neighbors that are upstairs and children that are just, screaming perpetually outside my door. New York City life. So without further ado, let's get into this. So if you guys are interested in this, I bought it off of Amazon for $40, which may sound like a lot, but at the end of the day, you can perpetually make butter for the rest of your life. So we're gonna open this up. And we're gonna look at the instructions that came inside of it. If you wanna know what's inside your food and the ingredients and everything, this is a cool little thing. All right, so let's get into the butter process. I bought this farmland milk, and it said that I should use this kind of milk at room temperature. So we're gonna pour half of this in just in case I screw it up. Then we're gonna put this on top and we're gonna start churning. So this is room temperatured heavy cream and it has to be room temperature. So we're gonna keep turning this until it separates from the buttermilk fat to the actual butter. This can take anywhere from 10 minutes. Is it butter yet? Ah! Now. Is it butter yet? I mean, it looks thick. No, it's not butter yet. But it's getting there. Ooh, it's like cream. This is the texture. It's getting there, but it's not there just yet. I think we're about halfway through. And it doesn't smell that good, so. Oh my God, it's thickening. It just randomly started thickening. This is so cool. That's so weird. It's just like, in a second, it just started like getting really thick. Apparently, I still gotta do this. Word of the wise, guys, if you're someone who doesn't work out, this is gonna be really difficult on your arms. And it's real, ow, I think I got a paper cut, or a wood cut. Okay, so it's getting really, really hard to turn it now. And I think it's separated. I think it's done, guys. This is beautiful. So that's the buttermilk, and this is the butter. I'm gonna put that there. Get some of this good stuff out. Oh, yum. All right. And then it says that we can save the buttermilk for other recipes. So if anybody knows the key ingredient to a good biscuit, it's buttermilk. I have buttermilk and butter, 2 for 1. Okay, so we're gonna pour some ice water over this butter. All right, so this is to clean it, it says. All right, and then you're gonna wanna press the butter. Oh my God, this is butter. All right, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna dump it inside the jar. The goal is to get the water to turn clear eventually. So we're gonna keep doing this until it does. Okay, it's getting there, guys. Again, still not clear. I think I'm in love with this. Gonna take this out. And we're gonna rinse it. Continue to press it. Okay. I think about one more time and it should be good. All right, so this is done, it's cleaned. And now, let's see what happens next. Oh my God. So we're gonna put some salt in our butter. And to do that, we put the butter back inside here and we'll take some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt because, you know, why not hop onto the bandwagon? Yeah. So, I think I might have over-seasoned that. So we're gonna put this back on there. And we're gonna, oh my God. I'm about to taste this, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, so we're gonna mold this into something that resembles store-bought butter. We're about to try this. And by we, I mean me. Oh my God, I made butter! Okay, so this is butter. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get a butter that I bought from the store and we're gonna compare it based off of color, and then we're gonna taste it with some bread. So on aesthetics, I am 100% sure that my butter looks way better. Color-wise, it looks about the same, except this looks, again, better because I made it. Texture-wise, it's about the same. I'm sure it's gonna taste the same. So this is unsalted butter, right? Yeah, unsalted, and this one's salted, and I'm gonna try it now. All right, so we're gonna try some of this butter first. All right. It's thick, it's hard to move around. It's the butter we all know and love. Okay, can I spit this out? So it tastes like butter. We're gonna try the butter I made now. So this, it just glides on really good and smooth, which, you know, smooth, easy. Everybody likes easy. Oh my God, it tastes like butter. It tastes like really good butter. Yeah, this is good. It's not too salty. When you go to the store and you get that really salty butter, but it's not unsalted, so there's a flavor to it, and it has like that naturally southern butter taste. I really like it. Yeah, that was really, really fun. Total time-wise, it took about 15 minutes of me pouring it in, spitting it, cleaning it, and trying it. For the taste and the amount of effort it took to get this, you know, I know everything that's inside of it, and the cost, I'd say this is a solid 4. The only reason I'm not giving it a 5 out of 5 is because you had to churn it and it could be a little bit tiresome. But yeah, I recommend you buying this. I recommend you trying it. You'll be blown away by the difference in your butter. But if you are a very conscientious person and you don't like to spend money on random crap, you can still make your butter at home. All you need is a bowl, a mixer, and you just churn some heavy cream until it starts to thicken, and you do the same process. Everything is literally the same. You're just turning it with your own hand or spatula. This is for ease of use. Either way, I recommend you making your own butter because that's the bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I had a blast making it. I hope you guys had a blast watching it. If you want more content like you saw today, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Right, Dad? Yep, he's just interested in the butter. Yeah, no. Bye!